Black holes might sound like simple cosmic vacuum cleaners, but the truth is far more astonishing. They are objects so extreme that even the universe seems to struggle to contain them. Everything we think we know about space, time, and matter starts to bend near them. Scientists once believed black holes were rare and simple. Now we know they are common, complex, and deeply confusing. The deeper researchers look, the more physics begins to unravel. Today, we're covering the top 7 black hole facts that completely break our understanding of physics. At number 7 stands the fact that time slows down near a black hole. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, gravity affects the flow of time itself. The stronger the gravity, the slower time moves. Near a black hole, gravity becomes so intense that time dramatically stretches. To a distant observer, an object falling toward a black hole appears to slow almost to a halt. Yet for the falling object, time feels completely normal. This strange disagreement between observers challenges how we think time should behave. At number 6 lies the shocking idea that black holes are not truly black. Physicist Stephen Hawking discovered that black holes can emit faint radiation. This radiation slowly leaks energy away from the black hole. Over enormous spans of time, the black hole begins to shrink. Eventually, it could evaporate completely. Something once thought to last forever may actually vanish. But the next problem makes this even stranger. At number 5 rises the black hole information paradox. Modern physics says information can never be destroyed. Every particle carries data about its past. But when something falls into a black hole, that information seems to disappear. If it is truly lost, one of physics' most important rules is broken. Scientists have debated this paradox for decades. No solution fully satisfies both quantum physics and gravity. At number 4 comes the unsettling idea that black holes might store information in bizarre ways. Some theories suggest all information is encoded on the event horizon itself. This means a black hole's surface may act like a cosmic memory disk. Other models suggest the interior holds exotic forms of matter. There are even ideas where the inside behaves like a distorted universe. Each explanation raises new contradictions. The deeper scientists go, the less intuitive reality becomes. At number 3 stands the fact that black holes can collide and reshape space-time. When two black holes spiral together, they release enormous amounts of energy. This energy travels outward as gravitational waves. These waves stretch and squeeze space-time itself. Incredibly, detectors on Earth can measure these ripples from billions of light years away. Yet the power involved exceeds anything the human mind can truly imagine. But things grow even stranger from here. At number 2 lies the possibility that black holes could hide cosmic shortcuts. Certain equations allow for wormholes inside rotating black holes. These wormholes are theoretical tunnels through space-time. They could connect distant regions of the universe. Some models even allow connections between different moments in time. The problem is stability. Most wormholes collapse instantly if they exist at all. At number 1 stands the most disturbing black hole fact of all. At the very center lies a singularity. Here, density becomes infinite. Time stops behaving normally. Gravity overwhelms all other forces. Our equations no longer work. Physics itself breaks down completely. This is the point where human understanding simply ends. Despite decades of study, black holes remain deeply mysterious. They challenge gravity, quantum mechanics, and the nature of reality itself. Every new discovery raises even more questions. The universe seems to be hiding something profound within them, and we may be far from understanding it. What do you think about these black hole facts? Which one surprised you the most? Like the video, drop a comment, hit subscribe, and stay curious as we explore the universe together at InfinityVeil.